Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my fellow friends and our medium Puan Camila. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Nur Fatamiti Rozi, but you can call me Teha. Now, let me introduce my fellow member who is going to present with me, Umar. Today, I would like to talk about the comparative of the control device of programmable logic controller PLC and microcontroller Arduino. These control devices are both key controllers used in machines. The objective of our presentation is to highlight some similarities and differences in their type, features, function, and lastly, characteristics. The main function of a programmable logic controller or PLC is to control machine and process automatically. A PLC works by receiving signals from input devices such as sensors and switches, then processing their information based on the program stored inside it. After that, the PLC sends output signal to control devices like motors, lights, or alarms. For the features of PLC is reliable and designed to work in harsh environments such as heat, dust, and vibrations. It is flexible because the program can be easily changed to control different processes. PLCs also have multiple input and output connections, allowing them to handle complex machines. In addition, they can communicate with other devices and provide real-time monitoring of operations. The characteristics of PLC, it is special, designed for automation and industrial use, meaning it is strong, durable, and can run continuously for long periods. A PLC operates in real time, which means it responds quickly to input signal and controls output device without delay. The Arduino microcontroller has several important functions in controlling electronic projects. It can read input signal from devices such as sensors, buttons, or switches. Then it processes the data according to the program written by the user. After processing, Arduino sends output signals to control devices like LEDs, motors, buzzers, or displays. Another function is that it allows easy communications with computer and other devices for uploading programs or exchanging data. Second is feature of Arduino boards are affordable, small in size, and lightweight, making them suitable for many projects. They are also easy to program using the Arduino IDE, which uses a simple coding language. Another feature is that Arduino has multiple input and output pins, allowing it to connect with sensors, motors, and other devices. Lastly, for the characteristics of Arduino, it is simple and user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners in electronic and programming. Arduino is versatile because it can work with many sensors, module, and output device. It is also portable and runs on low power, which makes it useful for small projects. Next, we move to similarities. Although PLC and Arduino are different devices, there show some similarities. Both are control devices used to automate process by receiving input.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Omar bin Muhammad Saleh from DEM 1A. Today, I would like to talk about a difference from program logic controller and microcontroller based specific of Arduino. The difference of PLC and Arduino is mainly designed for industry, for control large machine and process in the factory. It's a very durable, reliable, and can handle harsh environment, but is also expensive for our to effort. Second, Arduino. Arduino is a small and affordable microcontroller mostly used for learning, prototyping, and small projects like robotic or smart home system. PLC are programmed with a ladder logic, but Arduino use a simple coding. PLC is the best for heavy industrial automation, while Arduino is more suitable for education and small-scale projects. Okay, next for comparison microcontroller and PLC. Arduino is mainly used for prototyping, education, and small projects, while PLC is used in industrial automation and process control. Microcontroller work in a normal condition and a beginner for a friendly, while PLC are rough and able to withstand heat, dust, and vibration. But for using the PLC, you must have a training and a knowledge to use. In terms of cost, microcontroller is more cheaper, while PLC are more expensive, and microcontroller are best for learning, while PLC are suitable for industry use. Now, let's move for discussion and analysis. When we look at a weakness for Arduino, the weakness for Arduino is their strength and a low cost and easy to program, and is suitable for a small project, while PLC are very reliable and strong in industry environment. But both have a drawback. Arduino is less reliable for a big system, while PLC are costly and more complex to program. So for when in the end of the day, you can choose one of them where need and preference. And for the last of my part, conclusion. To conclude, both Arduino and PLC are controllers that process input and output, but there are several different purposes. Arduino is affordable, flexible, and best suited for education, and PLC a recommendation for industry or rough environment. Choose the one that fit for your personal needs. That's all for me. Thank you.